Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about eFootball hack, how to get unlimited ecoins for this one. Now this is going to be a video I'm going to teach you for a quick rollout or very quick workaround to get unlimited coins on eFootball. Alright, so disclaimer, I do not have the application, but I'm going to show you how to get it. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you go to your Safari and look for this application. It says AppBloop. AppBloop.com is the one you're looking for. And right off the bat, it's going to be a famous one, eFootball right there. This is how it should look like. And by the way, guys, it's just not just that eFootball is going to be here. There's a lot of games here. For example, Subway Surfers, you have Roblox, Shadow Fighter, and even Pokemon Go is here. Even TikTok. Alright, that's something interesting. So for this one, if you click on eFootball right there, it will direct you on the application itself, specifically for eFootball. So what you need to do here is basically enter your eFootball user ID. You can find this one if you open your application for eFootball and go to settings. However, if you cannot find it, simply click on this blue hyperlink word on how to find it. So there's going to be steps. First is going to be from your eFootball 25 home screen, click extras, click on personal, and basically on the bottom screen, you're going to find your copy user ID button. Copy and paste here, and then once you paste it there, this application or website will just ask you to finish certain tasks. I think there are going to be 3 in total. Finish those and automatically have your limited tokens, free coins, or GP in eFootball 2025. And by the way, guys, this is applicable for iOS and Android devices. So have fun. I'll catch you guys on the next one.